Alright, let me start with the obvious point here. Your brakes are important. It's common sense, I know, but given that we rely on them so much every day, it's only assumed that we pay close attention to all aspects of brake upkeep and maintenance. We all know the winter is coming, and the cold weather increases the components' wear and tear. So let's get your preventative maintenance checklist in check. Do you want to avoid the squealing and grinding that accompanies every stop in the cold months? Do you want to avoid unforeseen downtime for repairs related to worn down brakes? Alright then, alright, let's break it down. Get it? Break? Okay, forget it. Cue the intro. When it comes to any brake system, whether it be drum brakes or disc brakes, they all require some sort of ongoing maintenance. So in order to maintain the effective operations of your brakes and maximize the lifetime of the component, a comprehensive preventative maintenance program needs to be integrated into your fleet's operations. There are 3 steps to an effective preventative maintenance program: training your drivers, a maintenance schedule, and diagnosing the root cause. Training drivers is a great first step to enhancing maintenance. They should know what to look for during their daily inspections. When it comes to brakes, look for signs of oil or grime buildup around the hub and wheel, and ensure hoses are not touching any part of the wheel or braking system. Establish a routine schedule for drum or disc brake maintenance to ensure consistency and longevity of your component. This includes checking lining and padding thickness and measuring brake stroke for drum brakes. If your brakes are out of adjustment, diagnose the root cause for the issue and assess any appropriate course of action. Don't assume that simply manually adjusting the brake will solve the issue. Understanding your fleet's operating conditions and maintaining good records will be critical while carrying out your preventative maintenance process. Getting a little bit deeper, here are some tips specific to disc and drum brakes. For disc brakes, it's easier. Just pay close attention to brake pad wear, boots, and seals to keep contaminants out of the system. For drum brakes, there's just a little bit more to do. For one, keep a close eye on brake linings and make sure they are operating at a legal thickness limit. If not, they need to be changed. While you're at it, you should also inspect and change the cam bushings if needed. Be sure to regularly lubricate both the cam bushings and slack adjusters. Be cautious of wear limits while measuring your brake drums. If they do need to be replaced, make sure to always use factory service parts and, of course, refer to the manufacturer's manual for proper procedure. Inspecting your safety system should remain a top priority no matter the circumstances. And with an effective plan in place to ensure the health of your brakes, you will see profitability and your trucks will keep on rolling, but also stop if they need to. For more trucking equipment content, visit fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.